Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over the overlay manager, which is this tool here. Looks like 3 pieces of paper on top of each other. If you open this up, it effectively allows you to turn on or turn off a bunch of like visual indicators in ATAK. Usually if it has a specific thing you can turn on or off, it'll show this little eyeball. If you click on it, it'll make that icon disappear, or it'll make it appear again. So like Buddy, I can make him appear or disappear. I can make the whole Cayenne team appear or disappear. Whatever. Hashtags, don't mess with it. Elevation data, don't mess with it. Map controls, I don't mess with it. Other overlays, this is the center designator. Some people like this, and it just lives on ATAK. In the bottom left corner here, it tells you the location information for which is at the center of your screen. I generally turn it off, but I've seen guys who really like that. Eye altitude, not sure. Grid lines, that's what it sounds like. It's a grid line indicator, and as you zoom in, it'll get more specific grid lines. I generally turn that off. It's not bad to have. Then off-screen indicators, I generally keep this on. Yeah, just keep it on. Cool. Yeah, overlay tool, overlay manager, you can make things appear or disappear.